Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Mr. C. This is Mr. C, yani ki Samudra. Today I want to talk about something very unfortunate that everybody now knows about has happened. Um, Sushant Singh Rajput, one of the most promising and well accomplished, actually, he was not just promising but also a very well accomplished actor of Bollywood. He committed suicide. Um, Honestly, he gave hope to so many aspiring outsiders that you can make it big in the world of Bollywood despite being an outsider. And it's so unfortunate that despite so many suicides, people still don't talk enough about mental health. It takes a celebrity suicide for people to really just start flooding social media with posts like, if you need somebody, I'm there. If you need somebody, I'm there. But are you really there when people need you? There was a time when I was very low mentally and I did contemplate suicide as well. Luckily, I did not, because for me, it was the simple logic was that if I die, my family dies. And for my family, I didn't do it. But otherwise, there would have maybe been nothing stopping me. So I don't think when anybody commits suicide, it's not really a choice. Nobody would choose to end their life. That's not what somebody would want to do. What I really feel is that everybody really needs to be kind to one another, and it needs to start from home. You need to be able to have a conducive environment at home, create one where you can have open discussions with your family and not feel afraid. Parents, please let your child speak freely to you. Children, let your parents speak freely to you. And anybody in your, be it your family, and of course, if not family, then close friends, even an acquaintance, somebody you talk to, or colleague, please talk, but do not commit suicide. This is not the option. Because if the world has been cruel to you, it's the world's fault. It's not your fault. So please, when it's not your fault, don't punish yourself. That's all I'll say. And I really hope he rests in peace. And I really feel that this being kind should, as I said, it should start from home. But more than that, it should also be implemented in schools. While we have many subjects in school which are relevant and which make sense, there are also so many subjects which are so theoretical and people don't even remember them after leaving school. Instead, why not have a subject like empathy, have a subject like mental health, irrespective of whether you're in science, humanities, commerce, doesn't matter. From the grassroots level, from childhood itself, introduce it. Because I know for a fact that kids can be really nasty to each other in school. They can be vicious. And I can also understand why, because school is a very competitive environment. So you feel like, I have to be better than this person, I have to be better than that person. I'm sure I made mistakes too, but by and large, speaking from my personal experience, there were 2 years when so-called friends of mine, 2-3 friends of mine, really mocked me for being a fat kid. And I was overweight at that time, and it really broke my self-esteem. I don't want sympathy, but I want empathy. I want people to understand that these are not things to be mock somebody for. You need to be more kind. You need to, आप हंस लेते हो. You laugh at somebody for something which is probably not even their weakness. If somebody is fat, or if somebody is stammering, if somebody has if somebody has low self-esteem, don't make it lower than what it already is. Be nice. It's not so difficult. Just be nice to people. Because आप एक बार हंस देते हो, but sometimes you might just be teasing somebody, or you might be seriously mocking somebody, but आपके उस एक हंसी की वजह से, because of that one laugh of yours, someone might commit suicide. So please, 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 please be kind to one another. And I also want people to really be positive. I know we're going through a tough time with coronavirus and everything, but what are these social media posts saying the world is ending? Even as a joke. You can't have such a negative approach. You have to be positive. Especially, I think, people like us who have a house under our heads, who don't have to worry about our next meal and stuff like that. We are really privileged. And I agree that being positive is also a big privilege right now, because the people who are worrying about their next meal, who don't have a house under their heads and who are struggling much more, they cannot be positive maybe. So I know that being positive is also a privilege, but I'll tell people, if there's any privilege you want to use, definitely use this, because by being positive you can also help other people who need you, who need these things. So please guys, do not be the reason for anybody's suicide. Don't be the reason for anybody's unhappiness. More than being competitive, if the competition is healthy, it's a different thing, but I think the focus should shift from being competitive to being to lifting each other up. And if you consider somebody a competition, fine, consider them. Show how you're better than the others. Don't show how they're worse than you. So that is pretty much all that I have to say. I can tell you from my personal experience that school, broke me so much. Class 11, 12 shattered my confidence so much that it took me many years to rebuild that confidence. And I always knew that I was amazing in some ways. And sorry if I sound immodest, but in some ways, yes, I do believe in self-love, and I do believe there are many things about myself which I like. And I really like myself as of today, and that's an achievement. I became fit purely because of all the hate that I faced in school. And trust me, karma does come back. So do good karma and get good karma. That's all I'll say. Be kind to people, and don't keep hate in your heart. Don't keep hate in your heart. So coming back to Sushant Singh Rajput, I think I don't know what is the reason that he would have committed, done something like this, but I just hope that he's at peace. And I really don't know what to say. There's been a point in my life where I have become so emotionless that I actually find it difficult to cry, and that somewhere came from the mental struggle. So this is not just about Sushant Singh Rajput, this is not about me, this is about mental health in general. Every single individual, you deserve to have good mental health, and you also need to make sure that you don't be the reason for somebody else's mental health deteriorating. So yeah, I'm repeating myself like a tape recorder, but this has been a real I'm really tired, and I just request people that please be kind to one another, and be nice. That's it.